Let's sign it. Mama. Good job! Clapping. This is clapping. Mama. Can you say Dada? Dada. Dada. Let's sing it. Dada. Let's clap it. Dada. Let's sign it. Dada. Dada. Good job.
Hello, young scientists. Welcome back to Kids Science Corner, where we explore the wonders of the natural world. Today, we're going to dive into the amazing world of insects. These tiny creatures are everywhere around us, and they have some incredible features. Let's get started and discover their names and some fascinating facts about them. Insects are tiny creatures with 6 legs, and they come in many different shapes and colors. They have 3 main body parts: the head, thorax, and abdomen. Insects also have antennas on their heads, which they use to feel and smell. Let's start learning about some of the most common insects found in our neighborhood. Flies are small insects with 2 wings. Houseflies are common in homes and are known for buzzing around. They often land on food and other surfaces. You know them very well, right? Mosquitoes are tiny insects that suck blood from animals and people. They can spread diseases like malaria. They are usually most active at dawn and dusk. Ants are social insects that live in colonies. They work together to find food and build their homes. Ants communicate with each other using chemicals called pheromones. Bees are important insects that pollinate flowers. They make sweet honey and live in hives. Bees have a special dance to communicate the location of flowers to other bees. Spiders are arachnids, not insects, because they have 8 legs instead of 6. They spin webs to catch prey. Spiders play a crucial role in controlling insect populations. Butterflies are insects with beautiful, colorful wings. They go through a transformation from caterpillar to butterfly. Butterflies taste with their feet to find out if leaves are good to eat. Ladybugs, also called ladybirds, are small beetles with bright red or orange shells and black spots. They eat aphids. Ladybugs can play dead to avoid predators. Worms, like earthworms, are not insects but are important for soil health. They help break down organic matter. Earthworms aerate the soil as they burrow, which helps plants grow. Grasshoppers are insects with powerful hind legs for jumping. They eat plants and can be found in fields and gardens. Grasshoppers can make sounds by rubbing their legs against their wings. Beetles are insects with hard outer shells called elytra. There are many types of beetles, like ladybugs and dung beetles. Beetles can live in almost every habitat on Earth. Crickets are insects known for their chirping sound. They rub their wings together to make this noise, especially at night. Crickets' chirping can be used to estimate the temperature. Dragonflies are large insects with long, slender bodies and 4 wings. They are excellent flyers and live near water. Dragonflies can hover in one spot like a helicopter. Moths are insects related to butterflies. They usually fly at night and are attracted to light. Some moths have ears on their abdomens to detect the echolocation sounds of bats. Cockroaches are insects that can live in homes and eat almost anything. They are known for being very resilient. Do you know cockroaches can live for a week without their heads? Wasps are flying insects with stingers. Some wasps build nests out of paper or mud. Unlike bees, wasps can sting multiple times. Fruit flies are small insects attracted to ripe fruits and vegetables. They reproduce quickly, making them common pests. Fruit flies have red eyes and are often used in scientific research. Clothes moths are small insects that eat natural fibers like wool and silk. They can damage clothing and textiles. clothes moth larvae are the ones that do the damage by eating fabric. Bed bugs are tiny insects that feed on blood. They can be found in beds and furniture, causing itchy bites. Bed bugs are most active at night when people are sleeping. Fireflies are insects that light up at night with bioluminescence. They use this light to attract mates. Each species of firefly has its own unique pattern of flashes. Millipedes are not insects but are related to centipedes. They have many legs and curl up when threatened. Millipedes feed on decaying plant material. Thanks for joining Kids Science Corner on this magnificent adventure. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and subscribe our channel for more fun learning. Hi kids, welcome back to Kids Science Corner. Today, we're going back in time to explore a world full of giant creatures, dinosaurs. Are you ready to discover some amazing facts about these incredible animals? Let's get started. Dinosaurs lived millions of years ago, long before humans were around. They roamed the Earth during a time called the Mesozoic era, which is divided into 3 periods: Triassic, Jurassic, and Cretaceous. Let's meet some of the coolest dinosaurs from each period. First up, we have the mighty Tyrannosaurus rex, also called the T-Rex. It lived during the Cretaceous period and is one of the most famous dinosaurs. It was a fierce predator with sharp teeth and strong legs. Did you know its name means Tyrant Lizard King? Pretty cool, right? Next, we have the gentle giant, Brachiosaurus. This dinosaur lived during the Jurassic period and was known for its long neck, which helped it reach leaves high up in trees. Imagine having a neck so long that you could eat from the top of a tree. And let's not forget the Triceratops. This dinosaur lived during the Cretaceous period and had 3 horns on its head. These horns were probably used for defense against predators and for showing off to other Triceratops. Its name means 3-horned face. Another fascinating dinosaur is the Velociraptor. This dinosaur was small but very fast and smart. It had sharp claws and hunted in packs, like a team. Velociraptors lived during the Cretaceous period and were about the size of a turkey, not as big as you might think. Dinosaurs lived in a world very different from ours, with active volcanoes and no humans around. They adapted to many different environments, from dense forests to open plains. So how do we know so much about dinosaurs if they lived so long ago? It's all thanks to fossils. Fossils are the preserved remains or traces of ancient living things. Scientists called paleontologists study these fossils to learn about how dinosaurs lived, what they ate, and how they looked. There are different types of fossils, like bones, teeth, and even footprints. Each fossil gives us clues about the amazing world of dinosaurs. Let's have a quick Dino quiz to see what we've learned. Which dinosaur had a long neck to reach high trees? That's right, the Brachiosaurus. And which dinosaur was known for being a fierce predator with sharp teeth? Exactly, the Tyrannosaurus rex. Thanks for joining Kids Science Corner on this magnificent adventure. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and subscribe our channel for more fun learning. Hey kids, welcome back to Kids Science Corner. You might be wondering what I was doing behind that tree. Well, I was on one of my favorite adventures, exploring the wonders of nature. And guess what I found today? A magical treasure chest filled with something amazing. Our 5 senses. Let's open it up and see what's inside. Zoom in. Wow, these are the 5 senses: sight, hearing, smell, taste, and touch. These senses are like superpowers that help us discover the world around us. Let's dive in and learn how each one works. First up, these are the eyes. They help you see. You're using them right now to look at me. Isn't that amazing? Your eyes let you see all the colors, shapes, and people around you. Imagine spotting a rainbow in the sky. Our eyes are like magical cameras that capture all the beauty around us and send it to our brain. Next, let's check out these ears. They help you hear. Do you hear that? It's the sound of the wind rustling through the trees. Our ears let us enjoy all the sounds of nature, like birds singing or the splash of a waterfall. Your ears catch sound waves and send them straight to your brain. So, the next time you hear your favorite song or someone laughing, it's your sense of hearing at work. What's that smell? Could it be the sweet scent of flowers? This is your nose. It helps you smell all kinds of things, from fresh roses to the scent of rain. Your nose picks up scents and sends them to your brain, letting you know if it's something you like the smell of cookies baking in the oven, or maybe something not so nice. This is your tongue. It helps you taste all kinds of yummy foods, whether it's sweet, sour, salty, or bitter. Your tongue knows the difference. Imagine tasting a juicy piece of fruit. Delicious. Your tongue has tiny taste buds that tell your brain whether you're enjoying something sweet like chocolate or sour like a lemon. Last but not least, let's talk about touch. This is your skin, and it's covered in tiny sensors that help you feel everything around you. When you touch something soft like a teddy bear or something rough like a rock, your skin sends messages to your brain about how it feels. It even helps you know if something is warm like the sun or cool like a breeze. Here's a cool fact. Did you know elephants can smell water from miles away? And get this, most of what we taste is actually thanks to our sense of smell. Isn't that incredible? Wow, we've learned so much about our 5 senses today. These senses are special tools for exploring and enjoying the world every day. Now, I'm off to find another treasure for you. Thanks for joining Kids Science Corner on this magnificent adventure. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and subscribe our channel for more fun learning. Hi, kids. Welcome back to Kids Science Corner. Today, we have a super exciting topic to celebrate. It's our amazing brain. We're going to learn all about the amazing brain and why it's so important. And we'll also discuss the World Brain Day that is celebrated every year on July 22nd. Ready to dive in? Let's go. The brain is like the boss of our body. It tells everything what to do. Imagine it like the conductor of an orchestra, making sure all the instruments play in harmony. Our brain has different parts that do different jobs. Let's meet some of them. First, we have the cerebrum. It's the biggest part of your brain and controls things like thinking, learning, and remembering. When you do your homework or play a game, your cerebrum is hard at work. Next, there's the cerebellum. This little guy is at the back of your brain and helps you with balance and coordination. Ever wonder how you can ride a bike or dance? That's your cerebellum in action. And we can't forget the brainstem. It connects your brain to your spinal cord and controls basic things like breathing, heartbeat, and digestion. It's like the brain's autopilot. The brain is also made up of billions of tiny cells called neurons. Neurons are like little messengers that send signals all around your body. They help you feel, move, and think. Isn't the brain amazing? Now, let's talk about why we celebrate Brain Day on July 22nd every year. Brain Day is all about raising awareness of brain health and how to take care of our brains. It's a day to learn more about how our brain works and how we can keep it healthy and strong. Eat healthy foods. Fruits, vegetables, nuts, and fish are great foods for your brain. These foods provide essential nutrients like omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, and vitamins that help protect brain cells and improve cognitive functions. For instance, blueberries are packed with antioxidants that can help delay brain aging and improve memory. Stay active. Exercise helps your brain stay sharp. Physical activities like playing sports, running, or even dancing increase blood flow to the brain, which can help improve memory and thinking skills. Exercise also promotes the release of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, a protein that supports the survival of existing neurons and encourages the growth of new ones. Get plenty of sleep. Your brain needs rest to recharge and be ready for the next day. During sleep, your brain processes information from the day, forming memories and cleaning out toxins that can build up. Getting 8 to 10 hours of sleep each night is crucial for maintaining good brain health and ensuring you wake up refreshed and ready to learn. Learn new things. Reading, puzzles, and learning new skills keep your brain busy and happy. Engaging in mentally stimulating activities helps build and maintain cognitive reserve, which can protect against cognitive decline. Try picking up a new hobby like learning a musical instrument, a new language, or playing strategy games like chess to challenge your brain and keep it active. On Brain Day, you can celebrate by doing brain-boosting activities like puzzles, memory games, or even just reading a good book. And don't forget to tell your friends and family about how amazing the brain is. Thanks for joining Kids Science Corner on this magnificent adventure. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and subscribe our channel for more fun learning. Hi there, young scientists. Welcome back to Kids Science Corner. Did you know that your body is full of bacteria and other microorganisms living right inside you? That's right. You are basically a walking home for millions of tiny creatures. But wait, before you start feeling itchy, let me explain. Not all of these tiny creatures are out to get you. Some are troublemakers, but many are actually helping you right now. First, though, let's talk about the bad ones. Some microorganisms can make us sick. These include viruses, bacteria, and fungi. Let's take a closer look at each of these microscopic troublemakers. Viruses are like tiny invaders that sneak into your cells and take over. Once inside, they multiply and spread. And that's how you get things like the flu, colds, or even chickenpox. Bacteria are a bit bigger, but still really small. Most bacteria are harmless, but some, like the ones that cause strep throat or food poisoning, can really mess with your body. And fungi, they're not just the mushrooms you see in the forest. Some fungi, like the ones that cause athlete's foot, can infect your skin. So yes, some microorganisms can be a real nuisance. But hold on, are they all really that bad? Guess what? Not all microorganisms are enemies. In fact, your body has millions of friendly bacteria that help you stay healthy. These good guy microorganisms help you digest food and absorb nutrients. Without them, your tummy wouldn't be happy. And it doesn't stop there. Microorganisms are also responsible for making some of your favorite foods. For example, the good bacteria in yogurt help turn milk into that delicious, creamy snack. And yeast, a type of fungus, helps bread rise. So, the next time you enjoy a bowl of yogurt or a sandwich, you can thank microorganisms for that. Microorganisms don't just help your body. They also help our planet. Some bacteria clean up the environment by breaking down harmful chemicals in the soil and water. They even help plants grow by making the soil rich with nutrients. Imagine the smallest living things on Earth are making a huge difference. And here's a fun fact. Some microorganisms can even glow in the dark. It's called bioluminescence. Have you ever seen glowing jellyfish or fireflies? That's microorganisms making them light up. So, While some microorganisms can cause infections, many are absolutely essential for keeping you healthy, helping you eat, and even protecting the environment. It's like a tiny battle happening inside you every day. But don't worry. With healthy habits like washing your hands and eating nutritious foods, you can help the good microbes win. So the next time you hear about bacteria, viruses, or fungi, remember, they're not all out to get you. Some of them are your biggest helpers. Thanks for joining Kids Science Corner on this magnificent adventure. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and subscribe our channel for more fun learning.